This video, I will tell you how to connect your NovaBot with the Photon. So for that, the process is very simple and easy. Just follow the video till the end to get to know about it. I will provide a link of the Photon trading platform in the description below, and I will also provide the NovaBot extension link in the description below as well, so you guys can check it out. So what you have to do is to obviously install this application first and make sure that you have attached this with your Nova account in your Telegram. And once you have done that, all you have to do is to go back to the Photon, and once you're in the Photon, just simply go ahead and click on any of the meme coin that you want to buy. For example, if I go in this coin and I just want to buy this one, you will see that the Nova board will automatically be initiated and ignited, and I can use that board in order to buy, sell, and other things. So here you guys can see that the whole terminal is right over here, and if I go ahead and click on the extension, I can use the extension from the top as well. So either I can use it from there, or if I can use it from this user interface from here as well. So this is how you guys can do it. I hope you find this video helpful.